like they've been waiting for you to join in. Nobody's gonna go up yet. Let's see who's joined in. Umair's joined in. Muki's joined in. Wow. Have you come on your own will?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you under any pressure?
No.
Is anyone making you take your testimony?
No.
And you want to become a Muslim yourself? Okay then. So I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
I bear witness
I bear witness
there is no God
there is no God
other than Allah,
other than Allah,
and I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his messenger
is his messenger
and his servant.
and his servant.
You're a Muslim! Well done, Rudy, mashallah!
I was thinking, I actually requested this challenge to Bilal, and he actually told me I am actually 9. Yeah, I'm mature for my age. People say, come to South Africa. South Africa. I hear it's really hot there, and it's cold, really cold. So that's definitely on the agenda, because I've heard like 9 people say South Africa in the last like 3 minutes. So I'm pretty sure that'll be.
Mr. Muhammad Muzammil,
Yeah.
are you ready to start learning? I really, really want to learn. What do you want to learn?
I want to learn everything, but in small steps.
In small steps. You want to learn how to read the Quran. You want to learn how to pray. That's very good. So we're going to start. This is your first day and your first lesson. Okay. So this is where we learn from. This is called the Qaida. Okay. And this is where you learn. It's like ABC, and you start from ABC all the way upwards. But this is the Arabic ABC. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. So what we're going to do? We're going to start from here. This is going to be yours now. Okay. So before we start anything, what did I tell you yesterday? We start with the name of God.
Yeah.
Anything when Allah. So we say Bismillah
Bismillah
Rahman
Ar-Rahman
Rahim.
Ar-Rahim.
So start with the name of Allah, who is the most compassionate and most merciful. So what this does is it brings blessings into everything you do then, especially good things. You don't read it when you do something bad. You read it when you do something good. And then God sends blessings into everything you do. So we start with Bismillah
Bismillah
Rahman
Ar-Rahman
Rahim.
Ar-Rahim.
Good boy. And then we're going to start Alif
Alif
Ba
Ba
Ta
Da
Ta
Ta
Tha.
Tha.
So this word is not in English. This is like a T, this is like a B, and this is like a A. Okay, so Alif
Alif
Ba
Ba
Ta
Da
Tha.
Da
This is a different word. It's only in Arabic.
Da
Tha.
Da.
Yeah, so you get your tongue and you touch the top back teeth. Ba. Okay. Tha. Tha.
Alif Ba Da Da Jim.
That's 2 days in 1 day. Half an hour,